Hi! Welcome to Shera at Golden Horizon Villas Phase 3. Ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang modern and spacious two-story townhouse with provision for 3 to 4 bedrooms, to toilet and bath, at mayroon po siyang sariling carport. Gusto mo ba makita kung paano i-maximize ang bawat space ng dream home mo? Tara, pasok tayo! Let's go! Please note that the furniture and fixtures are shown for presentation purposes only and are not included in the sale. They are intended to give buyers an idea of the space's potential. This is the expansive carport area, while this side features a pocket garden. As you step inside, you're welcomed into a spacious living and dining area designed for comfort and connection. Here is the service area, which can be used for both laundry and kitchen purposes. Then our toilet and bath are located on the ground floor. There is also a bathroom with a toilet on the second floor. The Shera model can now be expanded to include 3 to 4 bedrooms, offering greater flexibility. Additionally, it features convenient access to the balcony. That concludes our discussion on the model unit. Now let's move on to the actual deliverable unit. Happy viewing! Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about the details of this project, feel free to reach out to us directly. This is Merce, your property sales manager from Dreamhouse Realty.